Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So, like I said to you, that this 786, this trend line here is really key resistance that you run into for XRP. You're retracing. You're coming down like this. Okay, you bottomed out, and right now you're retracing to this high. Okay, and at the minute you've come up to 786. Now, if we can start to close above that, that's amazing. Look how you're working through the fibs here. Look at this. There's your bottom. Okay, you came up into the golden ratio. You got rejected. Start to come back down. You bounced off the 0236 again. Look at that, and you start to coil up under the resistance of the EMAs, and obviously the fib target's just there, and you're slowly working your way back up. You had a lovely little wick up to that level of resistance just there, okay, and the 786. You got rejected, you come back down to the 050. So you slowly come up the stairs. I always say the bulls are coming up the stairs. This is exactly what's happening. Look, you're slowly coming up and down the stairs here, slowly coming up and down the stairs. Now, as well, what you're doing is, inside this technically bullish pattern, you're coiling up under the EMAs, under this resistance, sorry, the 786, and this neckline just there, and you're holding the EMAs as support. Okay, do you see that? So I would imagine if I drop the 10 EMA in, that's your support at the moment. Let's drop that in. You can see, yeah, you're bouncing off a 10 EMA. You have done since you broke out here. You're holding it as support. Look at that, beautiful. So right now, look at the 10 EMA coming up like that, and then you've got the 786 holding resistance. And I think a few days ago when I said to you, potentially get rejected at that, come back to the EMAs and coil up, hold a support. You're coiling up here. Now, if you hold this is an ascending triangle, gives you a breakout. But as soon as you start to break out above the 786, boom, you're looking really good here to take out the iron. Look at the thin air just there, okay? There's not much suppression just there. Boom, break it, break that one fib. Wow, explosive breakout, 1272, minimal target of $1, which is that wick high just there, okay? And you can see that would be really explosive there for XRP. So keep an eye on it. I think that if you start to close above the 786 at 08436 on the daily, you're confirming a breakout, and you've got a beautiful minimal trade in front of you from there to there of around about 20% minimal. Now that could actually be your rejection point. You might not go to the 1414, the 1618. You might get rejected at that point and start to come in for a swing low, basically, because this is what you're doing. You're coming up and down the stairs. There's your low, there's your high, there's your low, and right now you're looking to break that to create a new high, okay? So you've got a low, you've got a high low, you've got a high, and what you're looking to do right now is make a higher high, which is really bullish for XRP, and potentially signaling that that is your low, okay, of this correction. And we're looking to retrace and break these levels of resistance, because just here, if we do potentially run into the 1272 and we don't go beyond that, and I wish I could conclusively say, okay, yeah, you're gonna meet the 1618, you're gonna fall back, but who knows? You could do. That would be a technical target. If it does start to get really breakish here and really FOMO-y, that would be a kilo resistance for me at the 1618. That's a really massive resistance of 1618 off an extension. It always is, okay? But you can see you'd be working through these fibs here, and that would be a minimal target 1272, which is equally the technical break target of this inverse head and shoulders pattern that we created just here as well, and that horizontal that we've been targeting. We've actually broken out of, fallen back to support, and we're looking to break out. So we're slowly coming up the stairs, aren't we, here for XRP? And we're holding this 10 EMA as well. So if we do continue to hold that, you're going to get your little breakout here. Just there, let me show you. If we do continue to hold that, you're going to get a lovely little breakout there, this ascending triangle. You're coiling up, get a little breakout, fall back to support, boom, you're up there, aren't you, for XRP? So yeah, good luck everybody. Hopefully this is the bottom, and right now this is a brand new trend, and we can trade these ranges together coming up the stairs basically for XRP. So yeah, all eyes on Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin closes above that weekly 20 EMA today, later on this evening and early morning for some of you tomorrow, then that's an amazing signal from for the crypto markets, and we could be looking at a beautiful impulsive break here for XRP, and it will be amazing because it's been so long, and like I said to you, there is a potential right now. If I drop a trend line in like that, Alt H, there is a potential. I'm going to show you what I'm looking at potentially. This is a neckline. There's your left shoulder, there's your touch line just there, there's your head, and then potentially you run into resistance at a 1272 fib just there on your breakout, and you start to come back to this swing high, even a little bit deeper retracement to the golden ratio, who knows, or this neckline, say for potential. Let's say we're coming for a deeper retracement, who knows, we're coming for a whopping retracement, I don't know, we'll have a look at that when it comes, but let's say for a minimum we come to there, you got your right shoulder, you can see you've got a beautiful inverse head and shoulders pattern just there, with a technical break target from there to there, and you break that resistance down the line, You know, you're looking at 1718. Wow, you're fully up there. You're retracing, aren't you? Look at that. You know, it's not the prettiest inverse head and shoulders, but it's still an inverse head and shoulders pattern. It's a reversal pattern, and essentially, look, I'm going to show you another pattern that will begin to form at that point as well. Look, you got that, like that, like that, and look, you've got a whopping ascending triangle with a large W double bottom pattern, which is a very strong trend. Reversal basically, and I think on the weekly time frame we're actually forming one as well. Look. Boom, 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 boom. You're coiling up. Now again, you've got that key level resistance just there, and you're above it at the moment. So it's all about the weekly close for XRP as well. Because if you close above that weekly 20, you're closing above that high there. That's a really, really bullish statement from XRP as well. Because you've got a low, you've got a high, you've got a high low, and you're confirming a higher high on the weekly, which is really bullish. And this is, you know, your North trend basically, with technical break targets to the upside. So I hope you enjoyed that little update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. You can trade all of this on Bybit. Obviously, always use stop losses. You know, don't over leverage, don't be greedy, don't be a degen, and yeah, enjoy the. I hope you enjoy the content, and thank you for your support. And take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.